Ever grabbed a cheap gadget online that stopped working after a week? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the surprise. Some budget buys actually deliver big value. Amazon Basics has a few hidden gems that are practical, durable, and perfect for everyday use in US kitchens. In this video, we're reviewing the 15 best Amazon Basics kitchen tools that are actually worth buying, reliable picks that make daily life easier without breaking the bank. Stick with me till the end, because I'll reveal one underrated gadget most people overlook, and it might just become your new favorite. You can grab these gadgets on Amazon. Just head to the links in the description. Let's begin. This is the Amazon Basics Everyday Paper Plates, 200 count, 8.62 inch, perfect for daily meals, parties, and picnics. These durable disposable plates are microwave safe, soak-proof, and cut-resistant, making them ideal for hot or cold foods. Certified by the Sustainable Forestry Initiative, they offer an eco-conscious choice for convenient dining and easy cleanup. This is the Amazon Basics Electric Kettle, 1.8 quarts, 1500 watts, a fast-boiling glass carafe kettle perfect for tea, coffee, and more. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it features auto shutoff, boil-dry protection, and a strict thermostat for safety and precision. The blue LED illumination adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. This is the Amazon Basics 2-ply Flex Sheets Paper Towels. 12 rolls equals 32 regular rolls. Your everyday cleaning essential. Each roll includes 150 strong, low-lint sheets made from FSC certified materials, perfect for tackling spills, mirrors, and countertops. With flex sheet sizing, you can tear just what you need for efficient and affordable cleaning. For current pricing, head to the links in the description. This is the Amazon Basics Silicone Rectangular Baking Mat 2-pack, a reusable non-stick mat for effortless baking, roasting, and food prep. Made from food-safe silicone, it eliminates the need for oil or parchment paper. Oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. Each mat measures 16.5 inches by 11.6 inches for reliable, easy cleanup. This is the Amazon Basics 20-piece stainless steel flatware set with square edge, ideal for home, kitchen, or restaurant use. Designed for balance and comfort, it offers a simple mix-and-match style perfect for any occasion. Durable and dishwasher safe, it includes care tips for lasting shine and performance. This is the Amazon Basics 13-gallon tall kitchen trash bag pack, featuring durable 0.9 mil thick bags with strong drawstring closures for easy tying and carrying. Unscented and spacious, these trash bags resist tearing and keep your kitchen clean and tidy, perfect for everyday household waste management. Check the description for the most up-to-date prices. This is the Amazon Basics 14-piece glass food storage container set, made from BPA-free borosilicate glass for safety and durability. Featuring leak-proof locking lids and a non-porous design, these containers are perfect for storing liquids, baking, and easy cleanup, ideal for meal prep, leftovers, and organized kitchen storage. This is the Amazon Basics 14-piece high-carbon stainless steel knife set with sharpener and pinewood block. It includes essential kitchen knives, steak knives, scissors, and a sharpener. Designed with full-tang, triple-riveted handles for balance and precision, this durable set ensures long-lasting sharpness and professional cutting performance. This is the Amazon Basics 2-slice toaster, designed with 6 browning settings and 900 watts power for perfect toasting. It features extra-wide slots for bagels, a defrost and cancel function, and a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning, making it a reliable, compact choice for everyday breakfasts. This is the Amazon Basics 18-piece white porcelain dinnerware set, designed for service for 6 with a clean, modern coupe shape. Made from durable AB-grade porcelain, it's dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe, perfect for everyday meals and elegant dining alike. See the links below for today's prices and deals. This is the Amazon Basics 173-piece general household hand tool set, perfect for everyday repairs and DIY projects. Made from durable, heat-treated chrome-plated steel, it offers long-lasting strength and corrosion resistance, all neatly organized in a sturdy blow-molded carrying case for easy storage and portability. This is the Amazon Basics 7-quart round pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven, built for durability and superior heat retention. Ideal for slow cooking, baking, and roasting, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with sturdy side handles for easy lifting, this heavy-duty cookware brings timeless performance to every kitchen. This is the Amazon Basics 11-piece ceramic ceramic non-stick pots and pan set designed for effortless, healthy cooking. Featuring a non-toxic ceramic coating, it ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. With durable glass lids and even heat distribution, this cookware set delivers everyday performance and modern style for any kitchen. All the purchase links are in the description. This is the Amazon Basics storage cabinet for kitchen pantry, a versatile and durable storage solution. With 4 spacious shelves, including 2 adjustable ones, it's perfect for organizing your kitchen, laundry, or workspace. Easy to assemble, FSC certified, and equipped with anti-tip safety, built for everyday functionality and style. This is the Amazon Basics stainless steel cookware 11-piece set, crafted from heavy-duty 18/8 stainless steel with aluminum core bottoms for even heating. Induction and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, excluding lids. It features cool touch riveted handles and vented glass lids. A complete, durable set built for everyday cooking versatility and style. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. That's it for our picks for the best Amazon Basics kitchen tools to keep your kitchen organized and stylish. Want more space-saving ideas? Watch this video on best space-saving organizers you'll love. It's packed with practical, budget-friendly picks. Hit like, subscribe, and